Hello guys, welcome to a new video. I just want to go through some details about this car meet. So I've thought of a time and a day. I've checked the weather. The weather looks okay, so we're good to go for now. So it's going to be the 24th of April. So this video will be going up today, which is Monday. So it'll be a week and a day from now. So the time's going to be about 6 o'clock. Now, I was going to say go to Tesco, a Tesco car park, but 6 o'clock, people finishing work, I think it's probably going to be a little bit too busy. So what I did think of is there is a B&Q on Mansfield Road in Nottinghamshire. All the details will be in the description, so don't worry about it if you miss it. The response I had from you guys was quite good about the car meet. There was a lot of people that wanted to meet up. By all means, if you have a VXR, come along. If you have another car, come along. If your car is completely standard, come along. It makes no difference. Everybody's welcome, right? So don't worry about turning up and thinking you're going to be odd one out because you got no mods. It doesn't matter, all right? We accept everybody. Everybody's welcome. So don't feel like you can't come. Everybody is welcome. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the B&Q car park, Mansfield Road. Postcode is going to be in the description. It's going to be 6 PM till whenever. I don't know how many people's going to turn up. I know there's quite a few that said they want to come. So we'll see, obviously, if people do. I am going to be bringing some of my stickers, which I should have greens, oranges by then. So if you don't want to pay through PayPal and eBay and all that stuff, you can buy them off me when you meet me in person if you really want to. But yeah, I am looking forward to meeting some of you guys. It'd be nice just to have a conversation about cars, future plans and such. You know, if you've got any problems and if I can help you with that, then I'll help you. And if I can't help you, then I'm pretty sure somebody who's coming will. I don't claim to know everything about cars. There's certain things I don't know. So if I don't know something, I will admit it. But yeah, like I said, it will be nice to see everybody, nice to catch up and meet everybody and see what they are doing in their plans and such. So yeah, information in the description. Follow me on Instagram, which is now changed from my usual one. It was this, and now it's this. But I think if you put them both in, I think they both come straight up anyway. So like the same one comes up anyway. So don't worry, you'll find me. Follow me on Instagram. What I'll do is if any of this changes, I will add another video on to let you guys know, because not everybody does follow me on Instagram. If you do want to follow me on Instagram, by all means, follow me there. Yeah, that'll be it. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and let me know if you're turning up, what you're bringing. Yeah, let's get this finally started. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.